Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey lovebos, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and this is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. This unit's texture is Jerry Curly. It is 14 inches long and it's 150% density. Now if you're interested in any more detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you lovebos in the outro. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am wearing is actually a wig that they asked to send me, and they were like, can we send it in 24 inches? And I was like, look, okay, look, I have already gotten so many super long curly units, but my audience really, we kind of prefer shorter wigs, okay? I'm saying y'all, but it's me, okay? It's us, okay? Us together, we prefer shorter hair. It's just a thing with us on this channel. So I asked them if they could instead send me 14 inches instead of the 24 inches. So here we are, honey. It is bob season, and don't we just love a good curly wig, okay? During the spring, the summer months, don't we love a good short curly unit, honey? Well, I do. So anyways, the unit I am wearing is their Nadula Natural Color Lace Frontal Wig, Jerry Curly, Virgin, 150% density, Remy Virgin Human Hair, and this unit is a 13x4 frontal, so I do want to throw that out there. This unit does only come in 150%. They do have it available in 10 to 24 inches. As I stated, I do have it in 14 inches, and I don't see any other details about this unit. So hold on, I'm lying. So it says product name, Nadula Natural Curly Lace Frontal Wig, Jerry Curly, Virgin, 150% density, Remy Virgin Human Hair, 13x4 wig. Hair color 1B, natural black. Hair length 10 to 24 inches. Cap size average. So you can only get this unit in an average cap size. The lace is Swiss brown lace. The cap construction is 13 by 4 lace front. Density 150. Hair quality 100% virgin hair. Characteristics: transparent lace, virtually undetectable material, which running along the hairline and is designed to look natural. Then it tells you about the processing time and delivery time. So those are the details and specs that they have on their site about this unit. As I stated, this wig is a 13 by 4, so you have a good amount of space, like a really good amount of space to part this wig. If you want to, you could have I could have parted it all the way over here, or all the way over here, or in the middle, or half up, half down, whatever, because it is a 13 by 4 unit. Now, I am wearing this unit as a bob, but you can get it really long. You can get it all the way to 24 inches, which is actually what I stated they wanted to send me, but I wanted it in a shorter length. But you can, you can get it how you want to get it, girl, okay? I just chose this particular length. Now, as far as the cap construction, it is an average cap size. I do have the strap suggested. I feel like no matter how big your head is, you can still make this unit work, even though it is an average cap size. I think if you have a smaller head, you will have to obviously adjust the straps tighter, and if you have a larger head, you only put some straps, girl, okay? But I do feel like you should be able to make this unit work unless you do have an extremely large head or an extremely small head. If you're somewhere just like, regular small, regular large, regular medium, I feel like you should be able to make this unit work. Now, as far as the hairline with this wig, I did tweeze the baby hairs some, because y'all know the baby hairs becoming thicker than a Snickers. But I do love baby hairs. Now, if you don't like baby hairs, I always get questions where people are like, well, I don't like baby hairs. What am I supposed to do with them? Honey, just slick them things up into the hair, girl. Okay, call it a day, honey. It's not that deep, sis, okay? You do what you want to with how you like to wear your wigs. It's your wig. I did tweeze the baby hair some, and then I used my argan mousse to lay them down, and that was that with it. But as far as tweezing the hairline, I did not have to do that whatsoever. The lace, I feel like, looks really, really good. It appears to be transparent, because when it's just a regular brown lace, it can be a little too dark for me. But this one, I'm not having that issue with, as you guys can see. And yeah, that is basically it. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it does have some lace in the back as well. Those are the details and specs that I have on this unit. Now, if you are interested in how I feel about this wig, as well as a full 360, because I don't have to do a lint check, honey, because this is it, no Michael Jackson. So if you are interested in that, then please continue to watch. Okay, so with this wig, y'all know this is a look. I feel like this is my first curly bob of 2021. Is it? Am I tripping? Is this my first curly bob this year? I think it is, y'all. I am definitely feeling it. You guys know I love a good curly bob. They're easy to style. They're low maintenance. It doesn't take a whole lot. Throw her on and she's cute. Okay, all I did was spray a little water in it, and I did use my argan mousse because I don't have my Cantu curling mousse, so I did use my argan mousse, and I feel like it worked just as well. Like, I feel like it still looks really good. And that was that. Like, it didn't take a whole lot, and that's my favorite thing about curly bobs. I just feel like they look effortlessly cute, okay? I love the look of them, and they don't get in my way in my day-to-day living. And my day-to-day living is mom, okay? Mom, wife, like the day-to-day living, you know what I mean? So I really do love this unit. I think it is really, really cute. I would definitely recommend it. I would recommend it in this length, and I'm pretty sure I would recommend it in the longest length, because it's just one of those wigs. I just feel like a lot of times you just can't go wrong with a good curly unit. So yeah, especially Jerry curly, because you know how I'm feeling about Jerry curly these days, okay? That is just my swag right now. So yeah, I am feeling it. I think it is a look. I think it is a vibe. I kind of want to use my diffuser on it in the back to kind of fluff it up a little bit, but I didn't. I just kind of, you know how we do that. I just scrunched it up a little bit. But yeah, that was basically it with this wig. I am really feeling it. Shout out to you, Nadula, okay? You be coming through with the come through, girl, okay? I see you, boo. I see you, boo. So yeah, I am feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think about it. Are you feeling it? Do you think she's a look? Do you think she's a vibe? Let me know down below in the comments. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. If you are interested in purchasing it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to see on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. Journey Brown.
I wanted the icing.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do?